Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about Crypto.com Crocoin as well as Bitcoin because today the FOMC meeting is happening right now as I make this video. Very curious to see what happens here. We're at 11,400 subscribers. Subscribe now. Let's hop into this video. Literally right now, the FOMC meeting is happening, and I said over on Twitter, you can follow me at 333 Blacksea. FOMC meeting today, bullish or bearish for Bitcoin? Really, time will tell. I'm really curious, but to be quite frank with you guys, I think that we're probably going to be trading sideways. I think that this FOMC meeting, a lot of people joke about how this is the most important FOMC meeting until the next meeting. And that's how I feel about this right now. I mean, I really believe that it probably won't be a massive move. I mean, we maybe when they announce what if they're going to raise rates, pause, or decrease, like they're going to decrease. But when they ever say that, nothing really happens. The price action doesn't really change or shift drastically. The important thing to pay attention to is the hawkish or dovish tone Jerome Powell speaks in after the announcement of the rate hike or pause there, or whatever they decide to do. But it's really important on the verbiage he uses to see where we're going to be pushed in the market. I mean, the past FOMC meeting, we talked about there being many more rate hikes than anticipated. That was verbatim from Jerome Powell. And that is pretty hawkish to me because a lot of people were saying we can't raise rates anymore. If we raise rates, something's going to break, something's going to break. Well, we rose the rates were risen, and I think that there's a chance that they still are going to be risen. Maybe we'll pause here, but time will tell. We'll know very, very shortly. But all in all, Bitcoin trading at $27,200. Bitcoin dominance level 49.35% when you exclude stablecoins, sitting at 51.35. It is gaining dominance over the altcoins right now. I expect that to continue to happen as we get closer and closer to this Bitcoin halving, guys. We are getting closer and closer day by day. We're about, I would say, 8 months away, give or take a month or so. But I do believe that this is the year of accumulation, guys. Lots of sideways chop, lots of sideways price action. Maybe we'll get a little bit of a bounce off this FOMC meeting. Hopefully, if we break above, I would really like to test 28,200 for me to really flip more bullish. But as of right now, I definitely am leaning bearish. I do expect just sideways chop here, guys. Sideways chop here. If we can come and test this 28,200 and break above it, I'm going to be looking at a target of 32,000 leading into the Bitcoin halving. However, if we do not test this 28,200 soon, then I do expect this volume to somewhat dry up, bring us back down into the $25,000 price level, and maybe even get one last capitulation to 21,000 before we can really start to build our way back up into this Bitcoin halving, really shake out the last remaining people in some time capitulation so that we can finally start a Bitcoin hype cycle after this Bitcoin halving. Over on Crocoin, we are coming down a little bit after we made this move to the upside. Guys, it's all just chop. This is all just sideways chop. This is what's going on in the market. Don't be surprised if this continues to happen for an extended period of time. Like I said, with maybe a newer low on Crocoin if Bitcoin decides to capitulate to the $21,000 price level. But as of right now, I'm not expecting a large move to the upside, like I said, unless Bitcoin breaks above 28,200. This FOMC meeting is important, but I would like to preface that and say that it is important until it's the most important one until the next FOMC meeting. I don't think that the meetings are really going to really shift the market in a significant way right away, especially right now. I think that we need some time to really cool off, especially if they decide to pause the rates and if they decide to pause the hikes and start to move towards a cutting the rates. I really do believe there will be some time we need because usually in the past, whenever the S&P 500, or let me rephrase that. Whenever we cut rates, when the Fed cuts rates, usually the S&P 500, unfortunately, comes down. It actually comes down and has a drawdown, which is something to pay attention to. I mean, this is definitely not the same scenario that we are in the previous times we have cut the rates. This has basically been a insane amount of capital just put into the market. That's basically what helped us ignite this previous bull run that we had. Basically the helicopter money, lots and lots of money just flowing in. It is different this time, so maybe we will not get a drawdown when they decide to cut the rates. But I'm very curious to see how this all plays out, and I will keep you guys up to date as I see it. Go follow me on 333 Blacksea. Whenever I see a important piece of news, I like to talk about it right away. If you want access to basically breaking news, that's where I'll be posting it. However, we also do post 5 videos every single day on the Crypto Report. So if you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. When we reach 25,000 subscribers, we're giving away a loaded lion NFT. Also consider becoming a member on the channel. Click the join button on our homepage or below this video, and you get access to our private Discord where we have NFT alpha, trade signals, more of a one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I, as well as when we reach 100 members on the channel, we're going to be giving away $500 worth of Bitcoin to a different member each and every month leading into the Bitcoin halving. But that's all I got, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.